Hi guys, mayong hapon.
You see, I made a letter T.
Have people there. Hi guys, mayong hapon. Nandito kami ni Milo, nag-hiking
I made
kami
a letter
guys.
T.
Andyan siya.
I made a
Wow,
letter
got
T.
letter T.
Was
Nag-hiking kami
sick.
guys, dalawa.
I made letter T was thick.
We are here at
I
the
made-
mountain. And then we coming back already down to our house.
And
So he's very happy because
Mommy
ang
is
dami
back.
niyang nakitang
Mommy is
gagamba.
back.
Maraming ants. First time na naglakad kami dalawa. So marami siyang nakita na ants. At tapos guys, ang dami kong nakita dito na sampalaya guys. Ang wild ampalaya. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys ang paligid. It's the sound of
Why they put
silence.
so many rocks?
Na 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 na
Why
na
they put
na.
rocks?
They put rocks, but because so that if the typhoon come, the typhoon kana
sa bundok
kasi
na
kana
parang
destroy do.
nakakalula sa
I don't
pinunta
know.
namin dalawa kayo.
Wow, beautiful
Decided
flower
na
guys.
kami
Ano
na
dito
bumalik dalawa.
Dito
Tapos
guys
sabi
talagang
niya,
parang sa bundok.
You know,
Parang sa
I made
Pinas
this
lang,
to
guys. Dito kami kasi
papunta
sa
kami na doon.
sa-
Tapos
I made this.
tingnan pero
You made what?
Arjun.
Yes.
papunta yung
I made this to
parang dagat.
Oh, wow.
And then
Kaya
so I
bumalik
can
kami
make
dalawa.
the
Sabi ko,
letter
next
T.
time na lang kami. Pero
So
hindi
nandito
talaga
kami
siya
guys.
natatakot.
Tingnan nyo
Sinasabi
guys
niya lang,
naman ang
takot siya.
ang
Ito guys pala yung
jackfruits,
place
ang
namin
langka
dito.
doon dito.
Ayun, yung
Sobrang ganda ng mga
Pilipinas
ano
na
dito guys.
nagtatrabaho
Tapos
sa
may
abroad
mga
pero sa
kalamansi
bundok ka pa
din.
rin. Babagsak.
Ayan,
Ayun,
kalamansi.
guys. Pero,
Ayan yung
yes
jackfruits.
lang.
Pag sa akin na
Malayo
malayo
lang
lang
This
ko.
one go.
Oh, the one cannot go because the have dog inside, so we cannot.
So many.
And then guys, we need to go down now. Ayan. So here also banana. Oh yan, banana. Ang daming banana dito guys. Ang saya-saya ng alaga ko kasi nakakita siya ng maraming maliliit-liit na spider sa daan. So ayan siya. Say hello. Say hello, Milo first. Say hello. And then I will give you some snacks. Say hello. Hello everyone. You say,
Hello everyone.
we do
I
hiking.
made a letter T of sticks.
Kamusta kayo? Mayong hapon. You say,
Mayo ekisiki mayong.
mayong hapon.
Mayong hapon.
Sa tanan.
Sa tanan.
Nag-hiking kami.
Mahal ka kami.
Oo! Doon Rana. Nag-hiking kami guys, dalawa. Ayan.
I
Let's
like
go, let's
my
go.
letter T.
Mm.
I don't want
Ayan
to
guys.
drop it.
Pauwi na kami dalawa.
I
Nag-hiking
don't wanna
kami mga
drop it.
10 minutes. Oh,